Inc. is an e-commerce company that offers flowers through its online site. Behind its success is a customer service team that assists customers to meet their needs, helps them to find products, and guides them on how to order on the platform.
Thank you for calling Jarvis. How may I help you?
I was wondering if you offer flowers that come with chocolate, and may I know if you can deliver it now?
Let me hold for a while po. Just 1 to 2 minutes.
Don't be hard on yourself. Just calm and listen to the customer concern. It's okay to have a mistake. What matters most is that you assist them. And take a deep and breath. Stay calm.
Hello ma'am. Hello. Yes ma'am. We offer flowers that come with chocolate. Regarding delivery, yes we deliver it now, but please note that we have an order to cut off time since the flowers need to be prepared.
Okay.
Hello ma'am. Is there anything I can help you with?
Nothing. Thanks for assistance.
Thank you for calling Flowers and Inc.
Through dedication and passion to his work, Mr. Ron J. promoted and have a certificate to top performer agents. And he teaching the others new stuff and giving them a reminder and boost them confidence. Through training and guidance a person, we grow and develop. We enhance our skills through our experiences. Person growth has no limits. It continues to expand.